Hello everyone, welcome to Canning Coffee. Here we have a Pavoni pickle espresso machine. Now this machine was broken because it was leaking really badly, and especially around this area. We pretty much had to replace pins around here and the arm. We have to do an overhaul completely on the whole thing. It was really rusted and really hard to remove it. And these are the pieces that we just removed from the machine. This is one of the older pins, as you can see, really rusted. Looking really bad. Those are the little gaskets, and it was basically the condition of the machine before. That's how it looked like, and that's how it is now. Alright, so let's test it out. Beautiful shot coming from this machine. And now for the steamer. As you can see, it's working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for preparing Canning Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.